How do you say A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
D,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
S,
L,
H,
M, N,
O,
O, P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
L,
S. How do you say S? Daniela. S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
T,
U,
T,
T, U, V,
J,
V,
E,
W,
W,
X,
H,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z,
How do you say turtle?
Turtle,
How do you say apricot?
Ta,
Apricot.
Ta,
How do you say mama?
Mama,
Dada.
Dada,
Turtle.
Turtle,
Apple.
Apple,
Apple. How do you say apple?
Apple. Eh? Mama.
Mama? No, mama's not here. How do you say Daniela?
Nana.
What's your name?
Nana.
What? Daniela? Daniela? How old are you? 1. How do you give a kiss? Oye. How do you give a kiss? How do you say? Mwah. Mwah. Okay, silly. Say bye. You gonna say bye-bye to the camera? Say mwah. Mwah. Get the camera. Mwah. Where's your boo-boo? Oh, your boo-boo. Okay. Say I love you.